All right. This is not the usual trading week reflection. I think it's week 4. But as some of you guys know, I said in the Discord that I just had a terrible week and my psychology was down bad, my habits were bad. So yeah, I took like I think 7 losses because I just kept over trading with some giveaway accounts I got. So luckily my 50k account is still alive, but I just thought it would be fun to just over risk on some giveaway accounts that I got for free. So yeah, never a good decision. This is where I ended up with 7 losses, all on 2 days, just because I was over trading. So guess this video is just going over the most stupid trade you can take, and how not to trade. So that's gonna be this video. So yeah, let's just get right into the trades I took. Don't take this serious, please, because like the emotions and the psychology behind this, you guys don't even understand. So like the trades literally doesn't make sense. It's just like I wanted to be in a trade and I wanted to make money. That's what I just went back to those beginner mistakes for a bit, just because I was not feeling good. So that's a very important tip. Where you're not feeling like it, when you're not feeling good, when your psychology is not good, when your sleeping schedule is not good, when your habits are not good, when you don't have a nice and disciplined day, just don't trade at all and get off the chart. So let's just get right into it. So yeah, first trade was this one. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, we had like 1, 2, 3 sweeps right here, and then this break of structure. Guess why it's not a valid one? Because I literally don't see like a minute 5. Yes, maybe this minute 5 candle is a break of structure, but this is not a break of structure. I want to see displacement, big volume, especially also on the minute 15, because this is only the minute 5. So yeah, this was just a forced trade. I entered on the break of structure, but this was not even in the discount. Like it looks like it's in the discount, but this is on the lower time frame, on the minute 5. So I want to see like it pushes higher on the high time frame, on the hour 1 discount, premium, because we're shorting. So yeah, bad POI because not in the premium, and bad confirmations. Maybe the sweeps were nice, but I want to see a great break of structure. Next trade, I don't know what I wrote down here, is no TP at lower fair value gap. Yeah, so this was actually a good trade. This was my point of interest, somewhere in the premium on the higher time frame. 1 sweep, 2 sweep. We break this low. We brought us to our last sweep. And then some entry right here. Bad entry, but still it was a nice trade. But didn't take profits, didn't put my stop loss to break even when we hit this lower fair value gap kind of demand zone. So yeah, again, I just wanted more, but you need to shave profits in the markets. And it's something I didn't do because I was not feeling well. I just wanted to make tons of money, and that wasn't the case, like you see. So yeah, always put stop loss to break even. I guess I was playing with my stop loss line a little bit, so I was just moving it to break even from another point to this point. Also something that indicates that you should just get off the charts. The next trade was this one. This was actually unfortunate because this should have been a win. Let's see. Didn't get stopped out actually, because I think this was a trade right here. We took out this low, and then here we have like a one reaction, second one break of structure. This is a nice candle. This is what I want to see. So this was actually a valid trade, and then I should have entered right. Let's see, my entry was here, stop loss here, and then my take profit was here. Just keep it easy. 2.3 is nice R. Just take it. And as you can see, almost hit my stop loss, and my broker got me stopped out, and immediately after my take profit got hit. So I don't know, I should have taken into account with the small spreads. I thought it was just 0 spreads, but there's always some tiny spreads, and maybe you should always like put it a little bit lower than the low, because this was actually a perfect trade following my strategy. Next one, bad trade. Why? I can immediately see it. The mitigation of my point of interest was very minimal, also only 1 sweep, and the displacement was basically more in the fair value gap. So this was a fair value gap fill instead of just like a break of structure. But yeah, I guess I was just targeting the range lows because we were trading near resistance, near this premium zone. So yeah, I don't know why I took this trade. I wanted to enter off this fair value gap. Maybe it looks clean, but I don't like if we like double sweep or like take out this inducement in the fair value gap, and then yeah, not a good trade. Also, not a valid sweep. It's just like bam bam. I really want to see like a wick, a big wick sweep, and then a break of structure that is not just filling the fair value gap and going way lower, disrespecting this one. So yeah, bad trade again. This one is also the same reason. I see a lot of patterns here, which is good because now I know where I need to, yeah, what I need to be aware of, and that is the break of structure. It needs to be valid. In this case, it is not valid because yes, the point of interest is nice. Gold was very, yeah, how should I call it? Just it was very, very bullish, and we needed a retracement. So I was looking. Well, we also took out the high right here, so I was looking for a short inside this supply zone, fair value gap, some highs. We took it out, 1, 2, 3, no, 1, 2 sweeps, and then I entered on this minute 5 break of structure, but the minute 5 break of structure was basically just a minute 15 sweep. So yeah, again, like last week, I need to wait for a minute 15 confirmation and not just like a minute 5 and then the next minute 5 candle is going up again. That's not something you want to see, because I guess it was also just news and choppy price action, but that shouldn't be an excuse. So just bad trade. Yeah, should have waited for a better confirmation on the break of structure. Last trade was also very stupid. What did I write here? Didn't close in profits. No valid break of structure. Forced. Don't expect the highs to be taken out against the bias. Plus R4 was also bullish. Yeah, so I guess I just didn't put my stop loss to break even again after filling this wick. I should have set my stop loss to break even when we are 1 hour up. Yeah, we were just very bullish, and it's not smart to then short, of course. I don't have any context with this trade, so I can't really explain it. But in general, the main things from this week is just fixing my life outside of trading, meaning good habits, good discipline. I'm gonna really go to my bed very early, so I can have a very fresh start and a good start of the next week. And I guess just waiting for the right confirmations, especially the break of structure needs to be very valid with a displacement on the minute 5 as well as a confirmation on the minute 15. So just not like a wick into taking out the low and then just back up. And then the last one is something I didn't tell here, but I noticed a lot that my confluences for my points of interest are mainly like in resistance zones, order blocks, fair value gaps, but actually my main focus and my results from my backtesting actually indicated that I need to use more highs and lows as point of interest. So yes, it's nice to have like a fair value gap, an order block, whatever in your confluences, some level of support or resistance, but actually the main thing I need to look at is highs and lows, and really those liquidity zones, equal highs, equal lows, trend line liquidity, that type of stuff, because that's actually what made my strategy profitable on the backtesting. And I noticed that I didn't follow this. So yeah, luckily my 50k account is still alive because I didn't touch it, because as I said, my psychology was just way too bad. But we're still up on the 50k account. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm gonna start off fresh with this one, and yeah, just live and learn, and no matter what, I will never give up, because we just need to go through these hard times together, and eventually we will become profitable, right? So I hope you guys learned anything from this. If so, I would highly appreciate like just a like or a subscribe. It's free and it helps me out a lot. So yeah, have an amazing rest of your Sunday, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.